Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancers. Let us see what is coming up, guys. So these are for your general energies, Cancer. We'll be picking few cards from each deck, guys. I'll be giving the wisdom oracle card at last for you all, guys. So these are for your general energy, and these are for your love energy, Cancers. And the wisdom oracle card. This is the card, so we'll open that at last, guys. So for your daily energies, the Hierophant, Nine of Cups, Knight of Wands, Cancers, the energy with these cards, guys. You are feeling extremely satisfied today because the way things are going in your life. In your work situation maybe, or in your relationship, you feel your future is assured. So things are going in a proper way, and you are seeing those goals manifesting in your life, and you are really happy for it. That is the energy here, guys. And you are a very confident, daring person. You achieve what you want. So you have that determination, courage and confidence in you to progress towards those goals. Maybe for some of you all, you are going through a phase of great change in your work situation or in this relationship. Progress is happening at a very fast pace, and you are a very courageous person. You step into anything with deep conviction, and you have that passion in whatever you do, whatever things you take up. So people see you as truly the person who puts in 100% efforts. That is the energy here with these cards, guys. This may relate to your work situation or your relationship, and you are a person of certain beliefs and ideals. You have certain beliefs and ideals, and you work in a particular way, and you are a person whom people look up to for counsel and suggestions. And even this person, even in this relationship, they may come to you for suggestions on certain things. So you are a person of deep knowledge. That is also the energy here, guys. Cancers, let us see what are these cards. Sixth house, clouds. Maybe in your relationship you would have had certain confusions about this person, or some doubts. Something was there, some difficult situations. It may be because of your beliefs, or because of the way you work. I was speaking about certain ideals or beliefs you have, and you are a very strong person who believes in all that and who works in a particular way. That may be the reason for certain confusions coming up in your personal life, but you are going to overcome all that, guys. It is definitely ending. That is the energy with this card. So whatever confusions you were having in this relationship with this person, that is coming to an end. So you may come to a clearer understanding. You are creating the boundaries in this relationship, guys. You are structuring your relationship, and you are clearly defining your role in this relationship and of this person. So you are forming that relationship on a strong basement, whatever you're strengthening this relationship and you're structuring it. So you are maybe if that may not go well with this person. Some people may not like this kind of method to strengthen any relationship, so that may be the reason for certain confusions, but you are coming into an understanding, guys. That is the energy with these cards. So let us see what is the wisdom oracle guidance. Flexible, such an apt card for you all Cancers. I was speaking about rigidity and a particular way that you work, and the guidance card is flexible. So the energy with this card, Cancers, you need to be really open-minded about your situation and about the people whom you are with, and you have to be adaptable if you want that happiness. So you have to compromise with the people whom you are with and in any particular situation, but you should not leave those things that are important to you. Sometimes we may be wrong, guys. So there is nothing there saying that we are correct all the time. So sometimes we may be wrong. So sometimes we need to give others opportunities to suggest few things, and we can follow their suggestions also sometimes. So there is nothing wrong in that. So in any relationship, it is based on understanding and cooperation. So you need to cooperate with this person. You need to be very supportive of them, supportive of their views. So only when you do that, you will reach a very a very understanding and cooperative, caring and having mutual respect for each other. You will reach that stage in your relationship or in your life. So you need to be really flexible in your life, guys. So rigidity will not set you right for today. Only flexibility will do that. It will help you to mingle with people better, have that mutual compassion and understanding with anyone and anyone in who is in contact with us, guys. So that is the energy for y'all Cancers, and that is the reading for y'all, guys. Hope this reading resonated. If it did, please like and comment. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Cancers.